Expert witnesses can make or break a case. In this webinar, attorney Jim Robinson, an expert witness expert, will discuss where to find qualified experts, the importance of vetting experts, yours and the opposition's, and how to uncover information about experts using the resources freely available on the Internet.
Jim Robinson, speaking on finding and researching expert witnesses. Jim is an attorney and past education chair for the California State Bar's Law Practice Management and Technology section. He is the co-author of Finding and Researching Experts and Their Testimony. He is a contributing author to the ABA Litigators on Experts book, and he's also a consultant for the California Expert Witness Guide. Jim founded two companies. The first one is JurisPro Expert Witness Directory, and this is a free online directory of experts in over 10,000 areas of expertise. And the other company he founded is Expert Witness Profiler, and it creates background profiles on experts.
Finding and researching expert witnesses. So some background, as probably most people know, that under federal rules of evidence, a witness is qualified to testify as an expert by his knowledge or her knowledge, skill, experience, training, or education. They may form in an opinion or otherwise if the expert's scientific, technical, or other specialized knowledge will help the trier of fact to understand the evidence or to determine a fact and issue. And the key question is, why does it matter? It's to research the expert, to see, who it is that we have and whether or not we want them. Certainly somebody who's testified a great deal, who's available, doesn't necessarily mean that we want them to represent our client. And of course, the converse question on this is, what dirt can we dig up on the opposing end? There's an expert who in 2014 admitted that he had not even read one of his filed reports, and instead it was written by a colleague. In that case, the lower court case, the federal district court wrote that his ghostwriting discredits the expert's testimony on this point due to concerns about his judgment and honesty. The court was struck by the flimsiness of the expert's reliance on his colleague and by his failure to attain even the basic information about the affiliations, credentials, or employment of the consultant whose report he submitted as his own. In an interesting quote, the court went on to say either he has extremely impaired judgment or he lied to the court as to his familiarity with his colleague, or was so biased against abortion that he would endorse any opinion that supports increased regulations on abortion providers. Any of these explanations severely undermines his credibility as an expert witness.